dishes be? A little knife play. Let's put the knife down. It might be a butter knife, but it's still a little serrated. How about we play with a spoon? I think she's saying, I can't get it. Yuck! What did you just eat out of the sink? Yucky. Yuck. Are we all done? There's water all over the floor. You gonna turn on the faucet? Go ahead, you can try.
Don't let her hang on it.
Nope, knife play is not good. So you know what, Mommy can put these in the dishwasher. Thank you. They're ready for the dishwasher. Good job. Yuck.
Thank you for all your help, Beatrix. Beatrix. B. B. Say bye. Say bye to the camera.
Say bye.